Hello and welcome, Ryan here from Fiscal, and today I'm going to take you through the pick and pack process of a sales order using the WMS app. So I have set up a demo sales order over here. I have my blue gel pens, 15 of those, and I've got a red large pencil case, 5 of those. And what we have is a sales order with a barcode. So as I said, in the purchase orders process, we can either have a barcode for the relevant order, so a sales order, a purchase order, or a transfer order, and have the barcode over there for us to scan on the WMS app, or we can just go into the WMS app and search for that sales order number. So I would then search for SO00247. Okay, but I do have the barcode, so I will scan that now. Cool, and here we are on the WMS app. We have the order 247, and as you can see, we have the 5 red large cases to be picked. We also have the gel pens to be picked as well. So we just select one of the items, and now we can scan for that item. So I click the scan function, I go over to my barcode, and I scan it in, right? And then I say, cool, I have 5 remaining. However, I have on my settings enabled the do not allow manual adjustments. So we have to scan every single item. So we're going to scan one more time and one more time. So for each of the 5 items, I have to scan it every time. There we go. And so now you can see that the red large case, I have picked 5. Let's see what happens when I don't pick the other items in that order. So we say yes. Okay, awesome. So now we can move over to the pack function. So if I go to pack, scan for that barcode again for that sales order. Okay, now it's saying that I can only pick from I can only pack what has already been picked. So you'll notice that the gel pens are not available for me to pack because I have not picked them. So I select here for the red large cases, and I can select 5 of those that have already been packed, save it, and finish. Are you sure you want to move over to the next order? Select yes. And that is the pick and pack function complete. Now the remainder of the order is ideally processed in the Cin7 desktop account. If I reload this page, it should give us an advanced sales order now. There we go, because it is a partial shipment. So you'll see that we have picked our red large cases, we have packed our red large cases, and we are still waiting for shipment, and I can continue with a fulfillment of the other items. Okay, so for the ship function, we're going to go into the desktop and apply the shipping details that we require, unless we have a shipping partner or an integration for the shipping stage. We cannot use the WMS app for that. Yeah, so that's everything to do with the pick and pack function of the WMS app.